Want to get into machine learning but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're breaking down 5 top courses to launch your AI journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. First up, the legendary machine learning specialization from Andrew Ng on Coursera. Frankly, this is the gold standard for beginners. It's your ultimate foundation, created by an AI visionary himself. And just look at that instructor lineup. With Andrew Ng and other top instructors, you're learning from the absolute best. This is a no-brainer for a solid start. Number 2. Now, if you're short on time, check out Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. It's fast, practical, and packed with interactive exercises. Perfect for a quick, hands-on intro. But before you jump in, a quick heads up. Make sure you're comfortable with the prerequisites like algebra and statistics. Trust me, it'll make the whole experience much smoother. Number 3. Alright, let's get practical. For those of you who love Python, this Machine Learning with Python course is a fantastic choice. It's versatile and part of multiple IBM programs. Speaking of which, this course can be your gateway to an IBM professional certificate. How cool is that? You're not just learning, you're building a resume. And the instructors here are highly rated, bringing real-world experience from IBM. You know you're getting industry-relevant skills. Number 4. For the academic minds, there's the Columbia Machine Learning course. This is a deep, university-level dive into the algorithms that power AI. Just look at this comprehensive 12-week curriculum. It covers everything from regression to hidden Markov models. Seriously, it's a masterclass in everything machine learning. Number 5. Last, the legendary introduction to machine learning for coders from fast.ai. Honestly, this course is absolutely legendary in the machine learning community, taught by Jeremy Howard, a former #1 Kaggle competitor. Seriously, you're learning from one of the best practical ML experts in the world. And get this, it's praised for creating industrial-grade machine learning deployment. You're not just learning theory, you're building real, production-ready skill. Plan for about 12 weeks of intense practical learning. But trust me, the payoff is massive. You'll be building models from scratch like a pro. So there you have it. From beginner-friendly specializations to deep academic dives, there's a perfect course waiting for you. The hardest part is just choosing one. Now go break into AI. Which course are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next video.